who witnessed that or experienced, but the people, the entire people, are shouting. And that's the time, because during that time, the Our Lady of All Grace are not exposed in the church because of I think that's the order from the Vatican, because it's very controversial. So when the Archbishop by himself experienced and witnessed in front of the entire people in the church, when he experienced and witnessed the dancing sun, he decided right there and then to expose to the public, even without the consent of Vatican, the image of Our Lady of Mediatrix of All Grace. And now, so for several years, the image is there. But now, I think 2 years ago, a year ago,
it happened again.
It becomes a controversial again. So the Vatican ordered to remove again the image. And the Archbishop, who is the present Archbishop that year, who is Archbishop Argilius, because he is a Marian devotee, he loves Mama Mary. He said, I rather resign as Archbishop than ask me to not to believe in Marian or the image or the Our Lady of Mediatrix. So he was resigned. And 2 weeks ago, I have a visitor who is Monsignor Madlambayan, and I asked this controversy what happened, and he said the good news is the Vatican want to investigate again to open the case, and I hope and pray